Hey YouTube. Well, I was trying to leave for the day because it's like 6 o'clock. Came out to the truck and I did my remote start and I walked by the truck and I'm like, oh, it didn't start. That's unusual. So I got in the truck and pushed the start button and all I hear is click, no start.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
Yay, Dodge. So my truck is busted. I don't know, it might be still covered under the powertrain warranty, maybe. I don't know if that covers stuff like starters. I'm assuming it's the starter because it's got tons of battery. So check it out. Foot on the brake, push the button, click. Hear that? Yeah, try it again. Click. Doesn't like that. Service electric throttle cable. Fuel filter service required. Electronics throttle something. It seems very unhappy. Well, let's plug in the launch and see if it says anything. Well, I have a P2509-00 ECM PCM power input signal intermittent. Sweet. I love modern vehicles. So I'm Googling this and it looks like it might just be the battery. It says it's like a unstable power, so I think I'm just going to change out the batteries. They're only 2 years old. You'd think they'd last longer than that, but you know, Dodge. So I'm just going to do that tomorrow because it's already like 6 o'clock. So we'll buy some batteries tomorrow and then try swapping them out. So fun. Love modern vehicles. Well, there's one good thing about having your car break down at work when your work is a dealership and you own the dealership, which is you can just jump in a Ferrari and take it home. So I jumped in the Shipbox 458 and whatever, we'll just take this home and we'll get a battery tomorrow. Alright YouTube, so it's the next day. They're still working on the shop. They started painting it and I still don't have my truck running, so I bought new batteries. They had to ship them or whatever, so I have to go back and pick them up because they didn't have them in stock. $575. Yeah. So let me show you this. You guys are gonna love this. We had the whole building painted. So it's like a dark gray and the doors are like a light gray and we're gonna have red trim throughout the whole thing. Yeah, that's gonna look really good. Let's see what's going on upstairs. We've started trimming out this stuff. We gotta get that all done. Still have to finish up the countertops. Sink is all done. Let's see what's going on up here. Ooh, look at that. Nice. So we're having it framed out around the water heater so that we have a box around it so you can't see it anymore. Look at that. Yes. Instead of just having like this janky board there. That'll look a little better. Alright YouTube, they're done for the day. I'm done for the day. Show you where we're at. We got some progress. Oh, start off with the good news. Truck is running again. It was the batteries. Even though the truck is just barely over 2 years old, the batteries are toast. Yay for factory batteries. Okay, well, we painted the bathroom walls, or at least that section with the wood, so it's no longer this ugly 1980s pine looking crap. So much better in here. Upstairs real quick, they got a lot of progress up there. All right, so well, they got stuff laying around, but you can see, yeah, we've got these sheets kind of laid out and then they got frames on them so they look kind of nice, and then we're gonna get them all painted, and then we started framing out that so that you no longer have to see the water heater. So that'll be nice, a little box around it or whatever. And yeah, I got this framed out with a little box so that we can have this looking nice. So everything's just kind of looking good. They got to do the countertop still, and we got flooring people coming still. That wall will be the same reclaimed wood that we have on this wall, and then we have a sliding door, so that will happen soon. And then these boxes and the frames around the windows will be painted black, and then outside you can see we've got, it's kind of like a silver gray for the doors that are painted, and then the actual building is a dark gray and then red, although they need to do a lot more coats on that one. But all the trim around the whole thing will be red. So that'll look pretty sweet. So yeah, lots of progress, lots of cool stuff happening. And I'm exhausted, so I guess that'll wrap up this video. We will hopefully have this thing done within the next, well, it's got to be done within the next week and a half. Yikes. Also got some pretty exciting stuff. Josh is flying out to go check out a car today, so we hopefully will have a new car in inventory, and my new toy car should be here tomorrow. So stay tuned for that video. But that's to do it. Like, share, and subscribe. Check out normalguysupercar.com and NG Supercars if you want to buy parts, services, or cars from us. But we'll see you in the next video. It's gonna be sweet.